ह्यो गोंयच्यो वेल्ल्यो कोंकणीन हाका वेल्ल्यो म्हणटात आनी ह्यो खूब गोंयान लोकप्रिय आसात. दे आर व्हेरी पॉप्युलर इन गोवा, इन गोवन कुइझीन, especially non-veg cuisine. Only problem with Vellyos or white sardines, they are known in English, not silver bellies. That these white sardines are not exactly sardines, but they are very close to Peruvian anchovies. You know that in Pacific, the anchovy business is a huge business, and millions of tons of these anchovies are caught off the coast of Peru and Chile in South America, and there is a big industry on the anchovies. So anybody will mistake these for those type of Peruvian anchovies, but these are different and they are very rare and tasty fish. There is no comparison to taste of a Vellyos fish if these are properly prepared. Same way, there are a handful of preparations of these Shetaka. Shetaka is not a very popular fish because there are lots of bones you find in this fish. But still, people prefer this for this unique taste, which is totally different than any other type of taste. So basically, what we get from Shetaka is a taste and flavor, which is different than many other types of bony fish in Goa, locally known as burate or khapio, because these are kapsali, burate, khapio. These are common names of some of the tastiest fishes in Goa. So Vellyos are some of my favorite fishes, and we'll see in the next video some more interesting aspects of these white sardines or Vellyos.